Hi there, I'm Alex from PHP Academy, and this is another video tutorial produced for the new Boston. This time we're going to be talking about the print language construct in PHP. Now you can see that I'm using the previous echo example here from the previous video talking about echoing out data to the user's browser, or string data to the user's browser. Now print does not differ whatsoever. Just for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to just change this text to hello with an exclamation mark. So I'm also going to change this to print. You can see my text editor has highlighted this blue again, so we can see that this is a language construct and it's still valid. However, when we refresh, we get exactly the same result as we do with echo. Now you may be thinking, why are there two different now print works slightly different to echo in the way that it is actually an older way to, and a more sort of traditional way, if you like, to print data out, basically. I mean to the browser in this case. So it's also slower to use than echo, and if you wanted to be really petty, it also has more characters, so people tend to find it's quicker to use echo. Also, when we're using print, traditionally we would use brackets, as it behaves more like a function, even though it still is a language construct. So basically, in short, it's a lot better to use echo. The main reason for this is it being a lot quicker, using less system resources. So even though you can use print, and later on in the tutorial series we will come across things like print R, which aren't in fact too tightly related to print itself, but you will maybe come across print at some point in programs. However, if you're programming sort of from now on, we're going to be using echo, and it's probably better to use echo as well.